Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm T. If you're not new here, welcome back. Charlie's behind the camera today and I'm taking you around Luxor. So we're staying in a corner pyramid suite, I believe. But as always, we'll have the name there. Yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. In terms of locking, sorry if the lighting's a bit poor, there is no lighting here. In terms of the locking mechanism, deadbolt security instruction. Oh no, that's the battery pack. That is the lock. Okay, so if we move on, I think the next logical step is the bathroom. I'll show you the lighting. So we've got these really old school. I don't think that one did anything. Oh, so that turns the fan on. That's the light switch. That's the fan from the bathroom. We've got this quite massive sink area for this sink, but we've got some space on the side if you want to do your makeup. If, you've just got a lot of space for things. So we've got a hand wash, body lotion. Underneath is where you've got all your towels, hairdryer. We've got some extra tissue there. We've got some hand tissues there. We have the toilet. One thing I will say, when I flushed the toilet, it scared me so much. So it's one of those ones where you push down with your knuckles. It does it as soon as you press down. So it just makes you jump. But here we have, it's lights. Oh, it's the first time we're walking around the room. If you slide the door, we've got the shower. It's not a shower head that moves, it's your square shower head. We've got body wash and shampoo in here. We always test out the shower. So one of the first things I noticed is it does have quite a bit of mold or limescale around the bath. So it could do with a little bit of a refresh, but one thing that's good about the bathroom is that it's got one of the soap holders so you can put all your stuff there, which is nice because a lot of the times the hotels don't have anything there. Okay, my arm is not long enough to not get wet, but that is the shower. That is wetting the floor. Oh, I think you can open it from the outside. So you can actually open it both ways. I was getting hit with a sideways stream there. So if we just continue this way. In here, we've got, I thought that was a closet. We've got an ironing board, we've got some hangers, we've got a safe. It's actually a pretty decent size. Like it goes quite deep. I mean, it's also very wide, so if you've got laptops, things like that, it will definitely fit in here. Close that and enter the room. There's so much space. So I think it makes sense to come into this area first. But you've got a table, some chairs. These pictures, I feel like they're going with an Egyptian kind of eyeshadow vibe with the pictures. Again, there's not too much lighting, but we've got lamps. And it's kind of in accordance with a lot of the Vegas hotels, where it's not super bright. But you've got more seating here, so if you've got friends, well, everyone has friends. If you've got people coming over, you want a free drink, you just want to have a nice time, yeah, we've got some seating here, and you've also got a TV. Not to mention the view. So over here you can see, the only one I really recognize is Excalibur because of the cones, but I can see Park MGM, Vidara, Cosmo, Planet Hollywood, yeah, all from there, but that's because I can read the signs. If we go here, are these are just TV cabinets. Oh. What's in here? So these are just touch open TV cabinets. Random drawers. Yeah, random drawers. I guess good for space. I actually don't know what that is, but it turns itself on. I don't know if it's some sort of radiator, aircon control, but the aircon unit's over there and it's actually off, so I have no idea what that is doing. It makes sense to just show you the aircon unit. Oh, it's on now.
So that must be the aircon, right? Yeah, because now it's turned off.
Oh, it was on auto. So something is still going on in here. Yeah, so there's another one doing something. But anyway, let's continue. This table set looks like it's supposed to be some sort of piano. But another table, just in case you need it. This massive bed, but we're going to come back to the bed. One thing I didn't know we had, I don't know why that's on. Oh, one thing I didn't know we had was this bathtub. I don't, is this a jacuzzi? Is it a bathtub? I don't know. As you can see, it has had a little bit of wear in it. A lot of people have had a great time. So I myself will not necessarily be going in this. You can also, if you want to, have this beautiful view. This is so, yeah, so both the windows are open, and you can see I'm a little bit crooked here because we are in a pyramid shaped room. But the windows, the curtains open like that. And again, a beautiful view, especially like sunset. I'm just going for my back hurts. So
It's actually such a cool idea to have this big tub with this window and view outside. But it's just well overdue a refurb, unfortunately.
So yeah, a gorgeous bathtub. I guess if you don't want to take a bath but you want to watch, you can sit in this massive chair. Oh, it's quite solid. Look at that. Not really got a bounce to it. And last, oh, what did I notice? Is there a hidden fridge? Or is there no fridge?
There's no fridge.
I don't think there's a fridge in there. I know. We walked straight past it.
Oh, it's literally a standalone fridge.
Yeah, we've got a standalone fridge right here. Right where the drink should be. Well, that's cute. You've also got some plastic cups. Yeah. Oh, sorry. And then, last but not least, the bedroom area. So we've got this massive TV, which is in a great position actually from the bed. We've got these drawers. Again, a lot of storage, which is really nice. But usually what we like to do is jump on the bed to test it out. I'm feeling a bit nervous about this one because it is...
It's a very high bed, yeah.
It's very high. It's doubled up on the mattress.
T says she used to be a bit of an athlete back in the day, so let's find out.
I never said I did this one. Okay.
On three, do you need counting in?
Yes, please.
3, 2, 1. Oh.
Just trying to see if I can do jump again. These are very firm. Oh, the pillows are nice. They're really soft. Pillows are nice and soft. Got a nice fall into them. Yeah, the bed is... I feel like you need to jump on it. We're going to do something we don't normally do. Charlie is going to jump on the bed as well.
Oh. One of the harder landings, but...
The cushion is soft though, don't you think?
It's not too bad. It's a bit weird actually, because I'm going to say, after seeing how hard I sort of bounced off it, what I'm going to say is, I feel like it's a bit too soft. Like you hit it and it's firm, but then you sink into it. And I feel like it would be a bit too soft to the point of being a little uncomfortable. So like in the middle, I'm dipping in a bit.
Do you think it's that way because it's doubled up mattresses?
You know what? I think you would have a good night's sleep. I think you would have a good night's sleep.
Test out the pillow. It's really soft. Like you could sink into that pillow.
Yeah, that's a game changer. The pillow works. No, I don't think you have any issues sleeping in that. Let's switch back. Enough of me.
Well, that brings us to the end of our Luxor room tour. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know, or let us know in the comments if there's anything that surprised you about the room. It definitely does need a refurb. But there are a lot of interesting features to the room. So for now, that's it from us. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.